Comparing TOEFL and IELTS writing tasks. A deep dive. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of TOEFL and IELTS exams, specifically the writing tasks. If you're preparing for either, or both, of these exams, understanding the nuances between them can be invaluable. Let's compare the writing tasks of these two popular English proficiency tests. TOEFL, Test of English as a Foreign Language, and IELTS, International English Language Testing System, are two distinct exams, but both assess English proficiency. One of the key components in both tests is the writing section. TOEFL has two writing tasks. An integrated writing task, where you'll read a passage, listen to a lecture, and then write a response. An independent writing task, where you'll express your opinion on a specific topic. IELTS also presents two writing tasks. Task 1 requires you to describe, summarize, or explain information presented visually, graphs, tables, diagrams. Task 2 is an essay where you'll respond to a point of view, argument, or problem. 1. Topic nature. 2. TOEFL. More academic and general topics. You might need to engage with university lecture materials. 3. IELTS. Task 1 is more data-driven. Task 2 can range from academic to general topics depending on whether you're taking the academic or general training version. 4. Response format. 5. TOEFL. Typing on a computer. 6. IELTS. Handwritten on answer sheets, though computer-based testing is available in some locations. 7. Duration. 8. TOEFL. Integrated task, 20 minutes, independent task, 30 minutes, total of 50 minutes. 9. IELTS. Task 1, 20 minutes. Task 2, 40 minutes, total of 60 minutes. 10. Scoring. 11. TOEFL. Scored on a scale of 0 to 5 for each task, then converted to a score of 0 to 30 for the whole writing section. 12. IELTS. Each task is graded on a band score of 1 to 9. 1. Practice. Regularly write essays on common topics. Familiarity can boost your confidence. 2. Structure. Whether it's TOEFL or IELTS, a well-organized essay is crucial. Always have a clear introduction, body, and conclusion. 3. Time management. Don't spend too long on one task at the expense of the other. Practice completing tasks within the allotted time. That's a wrap on our comparison of TOEFL and IELTS writing tasks. Both exams have their unique features, so it's crucial to be well prepared for whichever one you're taking. We hope this video has been insightful. Happy studying, and here's to achieving the scores you desire.